Okay, this may help somebody out there. This is a relay. This is from a Honda relay. And to flow it, sorry for the shaking of it, to flow it, find all your joints. Let us connect together and just put a wire on it, because these are the high voltage coming through. So you can see I did it right there, I did it right there, I did it right there, right there, right there, right there. Okay? Now, the small stuff is where the voltage come in to turn the relay on. You can't do anything to that, because it's, see, look at the line. You can, it's just the line is too small. You probably would reflow the same thing. You just have to be careful. In my case, I'm going to try this first. I reflow all the joints, and what you do is you put your soldering paste all over it. Don't be afraid, okay? Because you have no electricity to going through right now. So put it all over it. Afterward, once you're done and everything, it'll be quick and easy for you. Once you're done and everything, okay, I'll put it really close. Sorry for the shakiness. I'm going to try not to shake so you can see. Okay. Once you're done with everything, like I did, make sure all these little joints right here cannot touch each other, because sometimes the manufacturer did it too close. What you do is you tilt it. You heat up your gun and you tilt it in the way. Okay? You tilt it in the way that would not touch each other. So this one, you would tilt it this way. This one, you would tilt it this way. So then these joints won't come together. Other joints like these, you don't care, because they belong to the same board. You see, just so follow the flow, just like I did right here. Same thing with here. How I followed this flow to this flow to that flow, because it's the same one. I could have went from here to all the way to here, but see how small that is. If, and I said if, this joint was broken, you can actually take a little thing and pry this out and then rejoin it. Or you can get from one wire, jump from one wire to here to here. But in this case, if you can see, it still look good. So I didn't have to do any of those stuff. Okay? Then, afterward, get your alcohol. And then just brush it off and let it dry. Okay? That's how you clean all those stuff off. Okay? Other than that, that's about it on this one. This came from a Honda. And it's from Acura, Toyotas, to a lot of stuff. Just a few relay. And this is the correct way to do it. I know it looked like Frankenstein, but it doesn't matter, because this time Frankenstein gonna work for sure. So as long as you follow this principle here, and remember, just get a wire and reflow it and connect them together. I've seen many people do it, but they don't do it this way, and you're going to have the same problem again, because high voltage is coming through here. To be honestly, this gauge is 18. It's 18 gauge wire. It should be. If you flatten this, it's probably the same thing right there. But if you have a thicker wire and it's able to support thicker wire, put a thicker wire on. It don't hurt nobody. As long as this and this don't touch each other, or all these connections doesn't touch each other, whatever, you know. Now, I'm going to take a little wire brush and just put isopropyl alcohol on top of that. And then take a brush and brush all those stuff off, and you're working again. Okay? Other than that, that's about it on this video. And I will see you in the next video.